Welcome all. And today we're going to see how to apply a stiffener command and how to use the toolbar called reference toolbar. And to use the stiffener icon or stiffener command, first of all we require a solid model. So what I did here is I have created a L-shaped profile by using a profile toolbar. Then I have gone for the exiting workbench. Now I'm going for padding. I want to pad, so I just click pad. Then I'm going for randomly a 65, or maybe let us take a 65 mm. Now I'm going for mirror extend. I want 65 mm on either direction, so total it is a 130. Maybe we can change the dimensions also if you want, maybe 50. Let us take 50. So click OK. Now what we're going to do is we are going to create a stiffener here. Now what you can do is I need to draw something at a distance. So how can I draw something at a distance from this object? So that can be possible by using a reference point, reference line and reference plane toolbar. That reference toolbar is this. So this is the point, line, plane which we can use for creating our reference planes. By using this reference plane we can construct the object very easily. So let me show you how we can use these reference planes. So let me click the reference plane. Okay, now once I click the reference plane, this is how it will be highlighted, the plane type. So you can see you can create different types of planes here. You can create a offset from the plane, or parallel to the, or normal, or tangent to the surface. So you can create different types of planes. Now here for now I'm creating an offset from the plane. Now as the name indicate, the offset from the plane. So from the plane, in the sense we require a one plane. From that plane we can create a reference. So if you observe here, I am considering this is my reference plane. See, it is asking my reference. So I am selecting this is as my reference. Now I want at a distance from this plane. So since if you remember, this be given as a 25 mm, what I'm doing is I'm going for 22, creating an offset at a distance of 22. I'm clicking OK. Now see, I got a reference plane where which is at a distance of 22 mm from the this horizon plane. Now what we need to do, select this plane and click sketch. So once we get into sketch mode, select this one, project, and convert it into axis line. Yes, this line, project. If you want, you can convert it into axis line. Now what you need to do, you need to draw a line. Now if you remember, you need to go for constraining. So I want 65 in white, so it is not fully constrained. Click. So let me further zoom it, and let me use the constraint command, point and the end point, right? Click OK. Now if you want, you can also change the dimension. Now we are concentrate, let us concentrate on the stiffener. Now again I'm going for stiffener icon, stiffener. See, now it is coming because it is having the thickness on the both the directions. Suppose if I want to go for 10 mm thickness, preview. So this is how your stiffener will be. So stiffener is nothing but a support which supports the. So this is how your stiffener looks like. Now if I want a stiffener at a distance on this direction, now I want the same stiffener, maybe a 30 mm, a 40 mm distance from this plane. How can I draw? How can I draw? So to create one more stiffener, there are many number of ways. One way you can go for mirroring. You can create a plane at a distance. Suppose this is at the center. If you remember, so you need to create a plane Or if you have a center plane, directly you can directly click the mirror command, click the plane, and it will automatically show you the whatever the stiffener you have drawn, that will be mirrored. Once again I'm repeating. So to click on the mirror command, this will be present in your transformations toolbar, and click on the this plane. Why this plane? Because this is the plane which is parallel to your stiffener which is drawn previously. So once I click, it automatically show you the stiffener. So if you click OK, so that's how you will get your. Now in your most of the CAD part designs, we're going to frequently use these reference planes and mirror command. Okay, so these are the things you must know whenever you're going for drawing the part design. Apart from this, there is a one toolbar if you observe here, where we changing our geometrical set and part body. So once you have drawn something, that can be updated. That can be updated by using a this icon. Maybe the shortcut is in your keyboard is Control plus U. Suppose if I click this one, it will update my drawing. Now whatever the things you have drawn, those will be calculate here. Those will be present here. So we have drawn the sketch one, we have created a plane, we have created a line so that we can apply the stiffener. Then we also done the mirror. So these are the operations you have done for your diagram, and this thing, as we know, as a design tree, will have every information. Okay. Now if you want to see the views, different views, see, this is the view toolbar. Presently at present it is in a isometric view. Once I try to change to front view, see, this is how you can see the back view, side view. So this is how top view. You can change view orientation. And if you want to see, as I said, if I want to see the wireframe model, so you can also see the wireframe. You can also see the surface with and surface with the edges, and surface without any highlighting edges. Is this is how your diagram will be looks like. So these are the basics, and you can go through once you have your software with you, and try to see the what are the other icons will do. And once you can apply, that's how, once you can understand what are the icons you have, then it will be very easy to draw your any part model. I hope you are completely aware of the interface of the CATIA. Now in the next class we'll start our drawing our 3D part models. Thank you.